In this video, I will show you how to delete your Crypto.com account. To do this, just open up the Crypto.com app and in the top left of the home screen, click on the 3 horizontal lines. After doing that, scroll down a bit and there you will see Settings. After clicking Settings, from here click on Account and then at the bottom of the screen under Management, you should see Account Closure. So go and click Account Closure. And then from here they will ask, are you sure you will lose access to the Crypto.com app, which allows you to, and then everything it says there. Now from here click continue, then it will say we're sorry to see you go. And now in order to actually close the account, you can see at the bottom here, the bottom 2 points, you need to withdraw all funds from your account and you need to contact customer support if the funds are below the minimum withdrawal amount. Then you need to download your transaction history for tax related purposes. So you can just click on the link to download your transaction history and from here just select the dates and stuff like that. Then click continue once you have done that. And then here you will see unable to proceed for me since I have a remaining crypto and fiat balance. But if you have followed the previous step and you have withdrawn all of that and you have a completely empty account, then from there you will be able to confirm your account deletion. So that's how to delete your Crypto.com account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.